So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can save a lot of time manually dragging in different assets to each individual project in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. As you might have guessed already, I'm talking about power bins. Undoubtedly the most effective tool to save time in terms of media storage. So once you are inside of DaVinci Resolve here, the first thing that you're probably going to see is your master media pool bin and just smart bins, which is activated by default once you open up DaVinci. So if you want to activate power bins, you're going to have to come up here to the three dots in the corner of your screen and press on those. Then you can come down here to show power bins. So as you can see here, mine is going to look quite a bit different because I use power bins actually really often and every time I edit a video. So if you go ahead and click on master here, you can see I already have a bunch of bins, but you can right click and press new bin and then name it something like test. And I don't know how to spell. No judgment. So once you have created your bin, you can go ahead and click on it. And as you can see here, it is empty. So if we drag something like music into the bin here, as you can see, now it is inside of that power bin. And what this means is every time you open up a different project, it will be there. So if we switched projects here and went over here, as you can see, if I come down here to power bins and then test, that music is there waiting for me to be used on every single project without having to manually create all of the different bins and drag in each asset. So if this video was helpful or maybe you liked it, go ahead and click on this one next. So I'll see you in the next one.